Okay, so last time I reviewed my Amazon cloth pads. This time I'm going to be reviewing my SHEIN cloth pads. And so this is for anybody who wants to get their startup kit from SHEIN, because I know not everybody has Amazon Prime, so they don't always get the free shipping, but SHEIN does offer free shipping a lot. And with SHEIN, a lot of people get the points there as well, so you can get money off that way. So this first set I'm going to show you, I actually got five with this. The other one is dirty at the moment, but this was a pack of 5 and I got it for $10, which is, I mean, it's kind of the same price. I mean, I didn't get the wet bag that I got with my Amazon ones. It came with the Amazon ones that came in a pack of 6 with a wet bag, but these came in a pack of 5 with no wet bag for $10. I mean, they go about $12. I mean, you can get them for $9. I got my last set for $9.99 on Amazon, but most of them, when they're not on sale, they're about $12. So I guess for $2 more you could get a bag, and you could get a bag and another pad. But you know, some people want to save that $5 on shipping, so you can get it this way. I've used these several times. They actually do work really good. This is what they look like. They've been used and washed several times. They're really fluffy. They're the bamboo fiber, so when you use them, they don't have a smell or anything. They fold up just like my other ones do. So you just fold the top and the bottom, and you flip this over this way and you clip it. And that's what you do if you're out and about or at home. That just covers up everything, keeps it all folded up and secure in here. So when you're out and about, just like I said in the last video, I like to use these individual pad wrappers. Got for $1.80 on Etsy from Mama Bear Wear. You fold those up, you stick them in here. I like them because I work in a hospital and I have scrubs, and I'll put 1 or 2 in my scrub pockets because you can't carry a purse around at the hospital. I'm always on different floors and stuff, so I like to use these. But if you want to stick to just getting stuff off of SHEIN so you don't have to pay shipping, these actually are free shipping, by the way. But if you just want to stick to everything for SHEIN so that you can use your points, whatever, you can get a set like this. It came with a bag. I mean, you only get 4 for this compared to the 6 you get with a bag on Amazon. But these were only $8, so they were a lot cheaper than the Amazon ones. And it comes with a wet bag. This is what someone would typically use when you're out on your period. You fold up your clean ones or whatever, and you stick them in here and you put this in your purse. And then when you're done using the bathroom, you'll fold it up like this and then you'll put it in the bag. You don't have to put them in the same, you could have your clean ones folded up and put it out in your purse if you didn't want to mix them together. But this is the second set. This is the name brand that it says for the SHEIN pads, for these SHEIN sets. And it's very thick. It's just like my Amazon ones, my Reusable ones. So these are the Reusable. I reviewed them on my last video. These are actually bigger and thicker. I really like these. I haven't used them yet, but I know I'm going to like them because these are my favorite type. I mean, I like these, but this is my favorite style that I use. I don't know, they feel very secure and thick, and I feel like they don't leak at all. They've got the waterproof material too. Just like my Reusable, these are a little bit bigger, like I said. And instead of the 2 clasps, they only have 1 clasp though. So when you fold on your underwear, can't get it as tight. You could just add another snap though. So you wrap them around your underwear, snap it, and it goes in your underwear like that. The reason why I like cloth pads too is it feels like you're just wearing underwear. You don't feel like you're wearing a diaper like you do with disposable pads. They're really, really comfortable. Some people have an allergy to the synthetic material in the disposable pads, so they won't use them that way. They don't like using them, they have to use these. But I just like using them because it's comfortable. My period's irregular, so I always forgot to go get pads and have extra. I don't know why. If I knew my period was irregular, that I didn't just have a stash of them at my house, but I never did. Well, now this keeps me responsible, and I always have pads because I will always wash them when I'm done with them at the end of my period, and I always am ready for my next period. So it keeps me accountable to have pads, and that's one of the biggest reasons I like them. And two, I'm not creating as much waste as I was with the disposable pads. And quite honestly, with toxic shock syndrome, all those chemicals in the bleach and everything that touches down there isn't really that good for you. And I feel better. There's some people that said that it reduced cramps, but don't hold me to that. Do your own research. Don't just believe what I say. Because of the reduced amount of chemicals, because of these, they don't have as much. This is another pad that I got from SHEIN. This is another option to buy. This was a set you could buy. That was a set you could buy. But on this section where I got these pads, they were individual sale. The reason I got this one, I loved the pattern. It is a terrarium all over it, so it's little terrariums. And this one, it comes in small, medium, or large. This is the large size. The mediums look just like these, but with this pattern, and it's got several other very pretty patterns. And I have this style that I got from AliExpress. I got it, it's the same exact shape. I'm pretty sure it's probably manufactured in the same place. They had the option on AliExpress to either get the bamboo ones or to get the microfiber. I chose the microfiber and I really like it. It's fluffy. I wish more places would sell the microfiber ones because I feel like it absorbs, I feel like it absorbs a little bit better than it does on the bamboo ones. But I like using these at night. And see, I've used these many times. Doesn't stain. If you wash them and you see a little stain on them, you always wash them in cold because the heat will set in blood stains. And then I will pour hydrogen peroxide on it, and it's like the stain magically goes away. And that's what that looks like, and it looks exactly like that. I'm pretty sure it's the same manufacturer that makes those. It's the same exact shape. Same thing with Amazon. I think it's all coming from the same manufacturer, and people just buy the products and then put different brand names on them, like that, or like that. They just sew them on there afterwards. But they're all basically the same. They feel like they come from the same people. But we're reviewing it based on SHEIN. And I really like this one. It gives you a lot of coverage in the back. And when I sleep, I tend to get a lot on the back. So that's why I like using these at night. I feel like I don't have any leakage at all. They're so comfortable. It's just like you're wearing underwear. And keeping with the theme of getting all your items from SHEIN, if you want to set up your period stash from SHEIN only, this is the bag that I got that I store them in when they're clean, and then I store them in when they're dirty. So when I'm done at the end of my period and all my pads are in here, I will let them dry, like I said, and I will wash them. I put all the dirty ones in this pouch, and I have my clean ones in this pouch. And I got this from SHEIN. It was a diaper bag, a cloth diaper bag, and I think it was $4. And it's got this, so you can hook on to a pole or a shelf in your bathroom is what I do. And yeah, it makes it really convenient, and since it's waterproof, like if you're concerned about it smelling, it won't, because it's sealed up in this bag and it does not smell. I have had no issues with smells. And if you're wanting to mimic this that I normally use when I'm out in the hospital, if you're wanting to kind of mimic that from SHEIN, they have these little period bags, and they're waterproof too. And I used this today. I had this in my purse, and I just fold up. I also have one of those in there, but I just fold up all my pads, all my clean ones, and I stick them in here, and I put them in my purse. And I will switch out and have the dirty ones in there too. I'll fold it up in this and put it in there. But if you just want to have your clean ones or your dirty ones in there, I would just say fold your clean ones up, have them on the inside of your purse, and then the dirty ones you could stick in here if you want it to be like that. I put the clean ones and the dirty ones in the same in here at the same time. It doesn't bother me. But yeah, I think this was $2 on SHEIN, and I used that. And yeah, so if you're wanting to do a zero waste period, if you're wanting to get the Amazon cloth pads but you don't want to spend money on shipping, if you don't have Amazon Prime, if you've got SHEIN points that you want to try out, yeah, if you want to get the if you want to get the 25% off that SHEIN has all the time, yes, it can be worth it to get your whole period kit from SHEIN. And these are good quality stuff, and they do work. I know, I've tried it, and I've used these months and months and months. I love it. I recommend it. I mean, is it the best that you can possibly get? No. But if you want to go that route, you can. So until next time, until I review something else,